up, local fam?
Wow.
We are headed to a Porsche car show.
Bro, this car is sick.
What is up, everybody? It's Sunday morning. I'm supposed to meet up in Encino parking lot at 7:30 a.m. waiting for my buddy George with his GT3 RS. We are headed to a Porsche car show in Beverly Hills in Sunset Plaza. It's my boy Abe, you guys already know.
Fam?
So we're just over here waiting for George, and once George comes, we're gonna head on out to the car show and we're gonna catch you guys out there.
So yeah, finally on the road.
After like 40 minutes, we're waiting for George, his GT3 RS and all his crew. We're finally on the 101. We missed our 405 exit, so now we're stuck doing 101 all the way to Hollywood. We're coming with a Square. We got a Mazzy, another G63, the RS. Hopefully they'll let the other cars in because we only have 2 cars registered. It is a Porsche event, but we're bringing the whole squad up, so we're rolling deep. Peace out.
How's it going?
Maybe.
Give him a second to get
Park.
lined up there. Give him a second to get lined up.
Sure, brother.
Right next to him.
Got it. Crazy, man.
Yo, we got a turn up of crazy
badass.
Porsches, man. This new chalk GT3, beautiful. Yeah.
Well, we got a lot to show you guys because today is going to be a one hell of a day.
So Arthur's here with George's GT3 RS actually. George pulled up in the G550 Square, but they didn't let him in, so I guess he's trying to find a parking spot outside. It's a big turn up out here. We got a lot of GT cars right behind me. I have the Carrera GT in yellow pulling up. Epic combination, beautiful car. So, sick.
Vlogging right there.
George is here though. George, what's up?
I count for 2.
Yeah.
He's super excited.
No, not excited, exciting.
Exciting.
Yo, it's a turn up. We got this thing's a turn up. We got GT2 RSs. What else we got? What's your favorite thing after the GT2 RS?
G-Wagon Square, bro. Come on.
G-Wagon Square wasn't even allowed in.
Aventador SV.
George had the park on the outside.
Aventador SV, guys. So guys, we just left the car show. We're kind of hungry, so we just rolled out of there. It was about time to leave or else it's gonna get crazy crowded. Hope you guys enjoyed the badass footage. Peace out.
So we finished with the Sunset Car Show. It was a turn up, a lot of cars, the 918 Spiders, the classic Carrera GTs. We decided to come out to Rodeo Drive. you know, the average typical tourist spot. We parked up right next to Vision Jewelers. We got the G550 Square. Yo, George, what up?
Super excited.
Yeah, you see how he's excited? Super excited. And we got Abe hungry. We got the Square, the RS. We got a Mozzie. Another, yeah, whole gang. We got a G63. Parked up my GT4
oh, look at
right
this
there.
one, bro, supercar.
Oh yeah, we got the Blazer limited edition right here.
Oh, you're
Roof rack and everything.
Sunday.
Bunch of hungry people right here.
Yeah, you guys are chewing. You got bread, butter. We got here what?
Sure, I was bringing that for everybody.
No, I mean,
I'll bring one over.
I'm just being funny. Don't take it personal.
No, it's all
Can I get some
right.
vinegar?
What up, local fam? Well, that was our day today. So we went out. We had a really good time at the car show at Sunset GT. We saw a lot of nice Porsches, Lamborghinis, Ferraris.
A lot of great. I love the GT2 RS was sick.
Yeah, it was amazing. It was a great time with good friends and everything. So then we went out and grabbed something to eat. Now we're just gonna call it a day. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Till next time, guys. Have a good day. Happy Sunday.